Hey everyone, let's see how to make this very simple yet very tasty tomato curry. I have boiled about 4 to 5 medium sized tomatoes. I have transferred to a bowl by draining the water and then I'm mashing it nicely. Take 2 medium sized onions and chop it finely like how Rakesh is doing here. Take 2 chilies and make 4 pieces from each. Take some curry leaves and ginger garlic paste. I prefer homemade. Next is mustard and cumin seeds plus some oil. I have taken coconut oil. You can take anything that you like. Let the oil heat for some time and then add your basic mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let it fry really well. Reduce the flame and add ginger garlic paste as this gets very sticky. We actually burnt a little. So reduce the flame. You see we have burnt it. Now let's put all the chopped onions. Saute it. And now let's put the chili and the curry leaves. The reason why we didn't put this earlier is Rakesh likes it if the leaves stay green even after cooking. Now I have put the mashed tomato and saute them well. Let's put salt according to the taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt here. As you all know, this is really good for health compared to your regular salt. If you want your curry to be more tangy, then go ahead and squeeze half a lemon. Otherwise, you can skip it. Give it a good mix and finally add some coriander leaves and close the lid. Turn off the flame and let it cook from its own heat. Finally ready to serve. It tasted really good with brown rice. I'm sure it will taste even better with white rice. So give it a try and let me know. Thank you.